Bum 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 bum. Dude, that music is crazy, man. That music is crazy. What's going on? What's going on? What's everyone up to? I already see people coming in. Nice to see Iron Lux Trader. Oh, Iron Lux #1 today. Oh, first. Red Sox, what happened? What happened, Red Sox? You had such a good streak going. You know what happened? I changed the time. I think it's already 10. I normally don't even stream at this time. So if I'm cutting into any other YouTubers' stream time, I am sorry. I didn't know. All right. I didn't know. Today is a fun day, huh? How is everybody? I hear great things in the DeFi space. The man and legend Teddy. I am nothing without you, Iron Lux Trader, and other goons that still come and watch me, you know? So for all the content you could be watching on a Sunday night, you decide, let's watch Teddy. Oh man, what is going on, guys? What is everyone up to today? I definitely had to educate myself on what the heck Mount Gox was. I haven't been in the space that long, so you will notice in this video I ask, hey, what's gonna cause the bottom of Bitcoin? Because out of nowhere, people are talking about Mount Gox. I didn't know what Mount Gox was. You know, I hadn't even seen it. So I had to understand what the heck, why are people saying there's going to be a bottom from Mount Gox? So I want to educate you guys because I had to educate myself. I definitely don't know everything, but I am looking to understand so I can make intelligent decisions. So Mount Gox, what was Mount Gox? Mount Gox was a cryptocurrency exchange that operated between 2010 and 2014, and it was responsible at the time when it operated for 70% of Bitcoin transactions. So when, during the 2010, 2014 time, I was not in Bitcoin. At that point, I was still in college, trying to do college things, and I did not make myself acquainted with Mount Gox. So once I knew that, dude, during this time there was another exchange, guys, there was an exchange and it's no longer an exchange. It happens. The exchange declared bankruptcy in 2014, but it continued to be the subject of lawsuits and speculations for years. So they basically go through all of this, and what you'll end up seeing is this court case that, because they declared bankruptcy and they had all these filings, they had all this money locked up. That's the gist of, if you look into what Mount Gox does. So what happened to Mount Gox's Bitcoins? Only about 200,000 were ever recovered. The rest are lost or removed from the network, right? So they claim to have lost 650,000 to 850,000. Is Mount Gox still alive? So now we're going to fast forward to now. So this was 2014. They decided, hey, we're bankrupt. We're calling it quits. Our hands are clean. And out of nowhere, they're gone. Or we think they're gone. They still have Bitcoin they recovered. And it's going to get released, right? So people are seeing, hey, there's going to be a release of 3 billion Bitcoin from Mount Gox. Is this going to cause the market to bottom in August, right? And I'm like, what the heck is this now? Is this real? I'm sorry. So right here, 137,000. So remember, back then they said, hey, we recovered 200,000 Bitcoin. So they must have paid whoever they could have. From after paying everybody, they have 137,000, roughly 2.8 billion, guys. They literally have this right now. At the time, it was worth 17.8 billion. Now it's worth 2.8 billion. Dude, that's crazy. Will the Mount Gox coins affect Bitcoin's price? As crypto analyst and crypto banter host Miles pointed out, many investors are worried that the release of 137,000 Bitcoin could cause a devastating decline in the price of Bitcoin due to increased sell pressure. And this is why in my thumbnail today, I said, hey, what's going to cause the bottom of Bitcoin? Is it going to be sell, like panic sells, or is it going to be Mount Gox? And really, it's a combination of both, It really is. Let's see. Tell us, Teddy. Yes, I'm telling you. Yeah, I heard about it a few days ago. Yeah, dude, me too. It's like, what the heck? This came out of nowhere now. I melted the like. Yeah, I'm glad you melted the like. I like that. I melt the like button. Melt the like button. Hey, GGG, Racket Club. Nice to see you. What's going on? I never ever followed back up with you, Racket Club. I will. We shall talk. M87, don't fade it. Yo, I like what M87's doing. I'm a big fan of all these anonymity type tokens. Bobby, what's going on, man? Yikes, definitely. Yeah, definitely, right? So creditors have an opinion of receiving USD, BTC. It's estimated that the creditors will start receiving funds as early as August. So literally, the rehabilitation trust is responsible for issuing payments to the creditors. In this case, Nobuaki Kobayashi, who's overseeing the rehab process. As for the balance sheet, they currently hold that's valued $3 billion. So many people are panicking that the release of these funds will lead to a huge supply dump, which could significantly impact the Bitcoin price. This is crazy. This is, you know how like, hey, most people say, oh, Bitcoin doesn't get affected by news. You know, the news doesn't change what happens to Bitcoin's price. But when you have news like this, right? When you have news like this, that's like, yo, some company, some exchange out there, they're about to release like 135,000 Bitcoin, and you may, you know, you may see a steep sell in Bitcoin so they can pay out in USD or Bitcoin Cash like some of these guys want. What are you gonna do? Let me see here. Some even theorize that the drawdown in Bitcoin's price could align with the Ethereum merge, leading to the flippening. So here, and I've heard about the flippening. I now understand why they think it's gonna happen, right? So their goal is Bitcoin's gonna crash to like 10 grand, 7 grand. I've shown you guys. If you guys seen my Bitcoin TA that I've done, I've shown you the levels that I've seen and what the possibilities are, and it's very well. If we don't find support between 15K and I think it was 13K around that time, the next level was below 10K, right? I think it was either 3 or 7K, I can't recall. But if let's say this does happen, and Ethereum rises like anything, that was the little flippening that they're talking about, plus the market cap itself, right? So there's a lot. The flippening is a hypothetical event where Ethereum overtakes Bitcoin in market cap, and it could happen if Bitcoin dropped to 10 grand. So this is literally all it would take. And I know many of you guys won't believe me unless I show you, right? So here's the market cap of Bitcoin right now, 392 billion. This is Ethereum right now, 140 billion. So assume this goes to half, right? That would cut this to almost 200 billion market cap, and Ethereum goes up 30%. This is literally what these guys are talking about. So I had to get educated on this. So I figured, hey, if I had to learn this, someone else needs to learn this. Oh, hey, no worries, Teddy. Oh, I appreciate it, man. GGG, Sub Teddy, Crypto Norval in the building, paper hands. Hi, everyone in chat. Hi, everyone in chat. Hi, Bobby. Steve the Canadian, I heard you going to be picking up a bag of Coma. Whoa, Mrs. NFT Queen, you shilling some Coma over there? Anindya Rispati, what's going on? I like the cowboy hat. Nice to see you. King of Apes, Mrs. NFT Queen. Yes, Mrs. NFT Queen, right after I ride a giraffe through the Sahara Desert. Let's do it. I've always wanted to ride a giraffe. I just thought I was too fat, so they wouldn't be able to hold my weight. I don't know. Their bodies, they're not proportional. They don't make sense. But I know there's a lot of giraffe people out there. Look at it. Like, how can you ride this thing? Do people ride giraffes? You'd just be on its butt. Like, it's all neck, no place to actually ride, I feel. Or otherwise you'd be right on top of the... Okay, this is tangent. ADHD, Teddy, ADHD. DNA held out on all those degens. Wait, what did DNA do? Damn it, DNA! I need you to send your boy some DMs next time you find a gem like a Bagner, bro. Dude, DNA Dimensions was telling us about it for quite some time, right? What was the gem that he found? He always shows like M87 he's been talking about. He's talked about a lot of coins. Okay, my phone is burning. Yeah, I got to let it cool down. It's still hot here in Fort Worth, Texas. Wait, someone's calling me. Oh, it's too late. Streaming. Queen, you can't talk. That's why I need DNA as my plug now. What's up, Iron Illustrator? Much respect to the plug. People ride them. You have to have a saddle for them. What? Get out of here! Get out of here! Saddle. What? Bro, get out of here! There is no way. There is no way. This is Photoshop. This is not real. This is not real. Giraffe riding is not real. I do not believe this. These all appear... Yeah, see, I would ride the neck. And then if you're riding the neck, you know, I'm a big boy. I'm just going to snap its neck in half. It don't make sense. There's no good spot on a giraffe to saddle up and ride it. I don't believe this. I don't believe this. Facts, Bobby. Teddy, you would zone in on riding. You would zone in on riding the giraffe. I did. I don't know how the topic came up, but I wanted to know. DNA Dimensions out of Bagner. Held out on Bagner. Oh, what is Bagner? I haven't heard of Bagner. Excellent. Damn it, DNA. Why would you not tell us this, bro? Are you up like crazy right now? Bagner. Nah, I see nothing. Bagner? I see nothing. I don't believe this. Google miniature giraffes, Teddy. Is that a real thing? Miniature giraffes? How did we end up here? Okay, gotta go, guys. I'm watching my USD rewards pump. Oh, that's awesome, Bobby. That's awesome. Teddy's just mind effed over this. This is a crypto stream. We talk about crypto. The streams are going to be shorter. I am, as I said, I am looking to doing 30 to 45 minutes in the morning and 30 to 45 minutes at night now. Trying to do like the morning show semi-regularly or regularly. I don't know. I have to try it out one week. I'm going to try it out this week, see how it goes. For the guys that used to watch me on the morning, I'm not sure about the time yet. You know, a lot of this is all dependent on my schedule. I do a lot for Shibnobi, so that is what it is. Bagner is an NFT. Teddy, one pump. Oh, okay, it's an NFT. Got it. You the best. Que anda Marty. Yeah. Wait, what are we pumping? Just tell me what we're pumping, bro. Hola, Bobby. Oh, Marty. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. How's Nutra doing now? Nutra. I actually bought Nutra during that live stream that is this it? Are we up? Oh, we're down. We're down. Yeah. I was happy that he remembered who I was, I guess. That was one good thing. Oh, man. Not good. Not good at all. Holders 318. Hey, not bad, because 120 of those were pre-sale wallets. So, oh, man, it's just straight dumps. People even buying? Straight selling, bro. Where's my news at? Where's my news at? Mornings are better for Europeans. Mornings are better for Europeans? Really? Yeah, but I'm literally, it's going to be like, hey, let's go read the news in the morning. Let's go read the news at night. All right, let's go to our CoinDesk, our favorite thing of the day, and see what CoinDesk says we should be reading as highlights for today. So crypto is trying out traditional finances failures in hyperspeed, but it's going to be fine. I kind of like that. I like that. First mover Asia, Bitcoin slides, mixed crypto legacy in Hong Kong for the FCA's incoming CEO. Bitcoin slides for a third day, heads back down toward 20K. Yo, there's a reason I pulled some out from Bitcoin and I put it in USDC and it continued. I told you guys this, like, hey, I'm selling some of my Bitcoin. And as soon as it gets close to this 20K, I'm a DCA back in, because right now all the news seems to continue to be bad. I haven't heard a single good thing. Zcash's unique community-led funding program looking to fund you. What the hell? This is some sponsored BS. I don't believe you. Celsius pivots towards paying off Aave compound debt with 900. Dude, I feel like Celsius is going to be fine. I feel like Celsius got no issues anymore. You know, it's 3:20 a.m. there. What? You the best, Teddy. Bobby Bay said thank you for stopping by. Definitely get that phone cooled down, bro. Bro, it's freaking 3:20 there, and you're still up, or are you like? Did you get a notification? You're like, I need to watch Teddy, because bro, you can watch the recording. I'm making them smaller so you can stay up to date. Teddy, Tim Shay, nice to see you. What's going on? It's 3:20 a.m. What part of in Europe? Traveled a lot in Europe, so you tell me. Dude, these pictures look nice. What is this? This was like the New York Stock Exchange or something? Panic on Wall Street. This was Wall Street, New York. Damn, look at the panic back then, bro. Man, this was like when news didn't really travel far. They didn't have internet and stuff back then. It was all Morse code, right? The economy is looking not so good. I agree. Okay, but what does that mean? In plain English, the U.S. federal government sells bonds or treasuries to investors like you to fund all the stuff they do. Those treasuries, in turn, pay you an interest rate or yield over a period of time. At the end of the period of time, the original amount is returned to the investor. If the treasury sounds like loans, that's because they are. Oh my god, that's hilarious. The amount of investors would expect to make on these treasuries is higher the longer the loan is. That makes sense. Your money is locked up. Why does this sound eerily similar to crypto right now? Your money is locked up longer, so in exchange for that risk, you get more yield. Guys, why does this sound like crypto right now? So then, if you plotted the length of the loan on the x-axis against yield, you get a logarithmic-looking growth curve. Okay? Except for when the yield curve inverts, which is what happened now. 10-year treasury yields are lower than 2-year treasury yields. Theoretically, this means investors expect longer-term rates to decline. Practically, this means banks, which depend on lending at the rates in excess of the risk-free rate. Typically, the 10-year treasury yield to make money will lend less, and this will lead to a slowdown in economic activity. A lot of big words in there, but in theory, I understand what they're saying. They're like, hey, when this inverts, right, they're saying that the longer-term ones, the 10-year yields are lower than people that are doing the 2-year yields, like the loans, right? If you give you a loan, they're going to give you back X amount in interest rate or a yield over a period of time. So they would be paying you back these yields. Well, if you gave them a 10-year loan and they're giving you back less yield than if someone that gave them a 2-year loan, they're going to be pissed. You're going to be pissed. All right, here comes the basis points. This is also another thing I had to educate myself on the Fed, the basis points, rate increases, interest rates. I don't know if all the goons understand that, or if they're even interested in learning anything about that. But I definitely did some reading up on the Fed and really understanding what basis points are in their interest rates, right? Their hike. And that's definitely some reading I had to do. So I'm being open with you guys. Definitely make yourself educated on what the Feds do and what interest rates are. So also 75 basis points increase to interest rates in July is basically a foregone conclusion at this point. So almost every single person already knows it's going to be 75 basis points. If you come in basically, and this is the great scenario, we're all assuming in July it's going to be 75 basis points. If the Fed comes in and they go, not 75, only 50 basis points, well, the market accounted for 75, right? We're all investors accounted for 75 days. When it's 50, they're like, oh, here we go. Here's that reversal. That's what they're expecting. Now let's assume they go higher than 75. Well, that's another bottom. If they hit 75 itself, that's going to tell, okay, the investors that, yep, they were spot on. They knew the 75 was coming. And that may also cause it. So there's more reversal scenarios than before, if people truly have accounted for this 75 basis points. And the way the market is, it's not the full bottom yet. That's what we keep hearing. I just showed you an article before this where we're talking about Mount Gox and all the things. It's going to go down to 17,000 and all this panic sells. But in reality, there's multiple plays here that are keeping crypto circulating, that are keeping crypto going sideways, consolidating really. And so very, very important to account for the rate hikes the Fed is going to do. Freaking Powell. Love you, Powell. I hate you at the same time. Told us that 75 BPS hike was an unusually large one. Oh, I didn't know he actually said that in June meeting minutes. That's crazy. So if it comes in below 75, 2 months in a row would seem quite usual, but that's just me. All eyes on July 27th. All eyes on July 27th. The miners are struggling. This is true. The miners are struggling. Right now, it is not profitable to mine. At least I saw Ethereum and Bitcoin mining is just like nil. No one's doing it. No one's doing it if their energy bill is far more than the amount of reward they're getting. It is cheaper for them to just buy the Bitcoin outright, buy the Ethereum outright, than try and mine and get the reward. It's just not happening. It's just not happening. And these miners that need money, right? Where's it? So one of the largest miners, Coors, announced it has sold over 7,000 Bitcoin in June. Guys, they're literally have all these miners are just storing Bitcoin because it's going to have some value. Well, now they're in a situation where in July they can't run their miner, and they have all this mining equipment, and they still have to pay all the bills. What are they going to do? They're going to sell whatever they have mined, and that could cause multiple mining companies do this at the same time. Another dip. There's a lot of fear in the market right now. But it's coming. I can feel it. The crypto lenders are not having a good time. No, none of the crypto lenders are having a good time right now. And I've been hearing more and more about the Coinbase bank withdrawals. Yesterday we touched on it. A few days ago we touched on it. But it does seem that some people are having issues with Coinbase and trying to withdraw to the bank. Some U.S. customers like myself, no issues. I don't use the instant withdrawal, but the people that use the instant withdrawal, it sounds like you're having some issues there. So I hope Coinbase takes full effect of that. Let me see here. Just catching up on comments. What part of it? Hence why I said your morning streams are better for us. Okay, Cornish, I got you, brother. I got you. I'm working with the YouTube algorithm. I'm working with the goons. We are coming. We're gonna take over. It's gonna all happen at the same time. It's gonna be great. This is gonna be the comeback of the future, and all the OGs will know. All the OGs will know. There was a Teddy before all this, and he was wild. There's a group of weirdos lurking. Oh my God, ASMR fan, what's going on? Nice to see ya. We really need to educate people on what CBDCs really are. The UK government is pushing for a CBDC, which is programmable. They control what you can spend the CBDC on. Scary shit must happen. Is that a European thing? Central bank CBDC. That sounds familiar. CBDC. Central bank. Okay, I was close. Central bank digital currency. What is the CBDC? Central bank digital currencies are digital tokens similar to cryptocurrencies issued. No, none of this. None of this. They're already centralized right from the get-go. They're pegged to the value of the country's fiat currency. None of this. None of this. I do not like this. Who's even doing this? Is this like a European thing? What the hell? My bank don't do this, bro. If freaking Bank of America comes up to me and is like, yo, we got the BOA, bro. We got the BOA. I'm like, what? What's a BOA? It's like crypto, but it's not the same. You get this weird artificial coin. You got one BOA. And you know what? One BOA equals $1. I'd look at Bank of America and be like, I will see you never. Goodbye. Oh, I had to look that up. I definitely did not know that. Sup, guys? Thanks, Teddy. All this stuff affects / benefit us in the space. Exactly. It is good to see this because now we can make some educated guesses on where the Bitcoin price could go from now till July 27th. Or even August, right? If the Mt. Gox thing is real, I mean, it is real. I've now proven to you, right? We looked at, hey, what is Mt. Gox? They closed in 2014. Now their money is going to be released, right? It's a little scary. It is a little scary because if they need to pay out USDC or USD or BCH, they have to sell the Bitcoin to pay that. You know, you're not just going to pay it without selling the Bitcoin. NATO Nation is watching. NATO Nation. I love it. I love it. There's a group of weirdos lurking. Yes. Yes. I consider myself a weirdo. I prefer weird over normal. I thought weirdos were already here. Guys, the weird is the new normal. If you ain't weird, I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to the Karens of the world. Let's talk, Karen. I'm having a great time. Never seen crypto this low. I'm having a great time. I mean, I've seen it lower, but yeah. But I definitely need Nutra to go up here, Rodney. Not Rodney, my crypto journey. Rodney, the other Rodney. GGG, Bagner. Get out of here, DNA Dimensions. Get out of here. You told nobody about Bagner and you screwed everyone over, they said. Problem is the Fed uses data that is for what has already happened. So they are behind what is happening now. And going forward, they won't get out in front of inflation that's already happening. Dude, what's funny is you're right, because I feel like if this is really how they make their guesses, their educated guesses, oh, there's no inflation going on, we're fine, everything's good, and they were in denial. And I think they flat out said at certain points in one of the news articles I read that the Fed has been wrong. Yes, we are highly inflated. Hey, we need to bring interest rates up, and they've been forward with us when they're wrong, which I like to see. You know, it's very good. But yeah, so they are behind what is happening now, and going forward, they won't get out in front of inflation that's already happening. No, they won't. I don't think they will. It's going to be a constant cat and mouse, you know, like inflation first or rate hikes first. Let's keep going. The U.S. wants to introduce CBDCs to be afraid, man. I'm already afraid because we know the European Commission has already talked about KYCing. Let me see. European Commission KYC wallets, right? So European Commission promotes KYC on private crypto wallets. Guys, this was us. March 31st, I'm telling you that this is a possibility, that they're literally going to do this. And the next day, April 1st, European Parliament passed this bill requiring KYC, know your client procedures for non-custodial wallets that they transact with. And everyone got on my stream and they're like, oh, Teddy, you're wrong. This is not going to affect anybody. But I'm like, this is really going to affect everybody. If the European government commission as a whole tells you that all international travelers need to be KYC'd for any new wallet that pops up, and I kept reading the article. We read through the entire thing. If you guys missed that stream, go check it out. And it's like, okay, we thought we were done. 3 days later, after me telling you this, the United States came out and they're like, oh, for any international travelers or anyone that holds crypto internationally and wants to come to the United States, we're going to follow the same government regulations as international standards, which means they may also require KYC on our wallets, which everyone that's in the crypto space for the wrong reasons super hates this, you know, like, oh, they're gonna know who I am and this wallet belongs to me, and they're gonna fix all the money laundering problems. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, I feel like we still have money laundering problems in fiat currency with mattress stores, but you know, that's a whole different topic. But this is my fear. This is a fear that people aren't realizing, that this KYC stuff is getting more and more serious, and the government's really one of the best ways that they're going to be able to regulate or give some type of regulation into this crypto space is by coming after your wallets. They can come after exchanges. Exchanges kind of protect you, but if you have a wallet that's on that blockchain and you're not KYC'd, and then this exchange says, hey, you need to be KYC'd on that wallet in order to deposit onto my exchange, and now you have no way to pull out your token, that's going to be a problem. That's going to be a problem. And the faster you diversify, I think the safer you could be. It's not going to be every token. It may be some tokens, right? We don't know. We don't know what's going to happen. I hope you disowned the Shibnobi scam. Wallace, no, I haven't. I'm still Shibnobi. I'm so sorry, Wallace. Please tell me. Yo, that guy, sup? Yo, what's up, that guy? We got everybody. We got Fan. We got that guy. We got NFT Queen. We got Al. Iron Lux. Red Sox. You still here? You don't follow me, Teddy. That's why you don't know about Bagner. I posted around the clock for a week. We're going to fix that right now. I got to follow you. All right. You know, the last time I DNA mentioned. Here, I'm following you. Oh, damn. Dude, I think you got more followers than me. Oh, no. Well, I lost a follower. The word weirdo comes from word, which means one who is control of their fate. Is this real? Is this real? Sup Gold, that guy, Sup Iron, BTFA. But that's not regulation. That's more like having access to your bank account without a warrant. I mean, at that point, in reality, they don't have access to your bank account. They don't have access to your crypto wallet. They just know that crypto wallet and that bank account is Al's or is Teddy's. You know, that's the portion where I think they're gonna use that as an advantage, because now they know this wallet is tied to you. They can then put an API on top of it or some kind of tracker. Can be done very easily, right? And they can track how much you go in and out of that wallet, and they can see everywhere that money goes to. So they would go from point A to point B and be like, look at all these other people this wallet has interacted with. I don't know what they're gonna do with that information, you know, but hopefully by that point, cryptocurrency is just so big that it's like they're just not able to keep up with it. You know, it's like the FBI and the cryptocurrency department. They have so many cases they can't even keep up. You know, they have high profile cases. They can't deal with every single crypto scam that happens every day. No, I'm the Bagner now. Yo, did you guys see this freaking Bree with the tie-dye? Yo, that shirt looked popping, bro. Freaking love that. That was crazy. Yo, is that a foldable phone? I think that's a foldable phone. Damn, she got a better phone than me. Damn, I'm jealous. Also, shout out to Anthony Williams, AW in the house, mod of the channel. He did make a shadow box for us. I didn't even know what a shadow box is, but it is so cool to see a goon himself, a community member, make something for us. So I did ask him if I can get it. I would totally take it. He says he's made 3 of them, so I don't know what's going to happen, but I hope I get it. He said he'll ship it out. I'm trying to see what else. It's better to hold on to. Wait, it actually plays my entire thing? Oh, wow. Oh, it stays on there and people like. Oh, wow. I didn't even know this. I did make a Twitch, but I still haven't completely looked into it. All right, cool. It's a Viking word. Oh, I didn't know that. All right, I just want to quickly spend the rest of the time going through, what is it? We're already at 35 minutes. I'm trying to make these streams shorter. We're going to quickly skim over Reddit cryptocurrency, see if anything speaks to me. If not, it is what it is. 3AC founders Su Zhu and Kyle Davis fled Singapore, and their current whereabouts are unknown. Bankruptcy filing claims. Oh my God. No, not good. Looks like Coinbase will be discontinuing the Coinbase card rewards. Wait, what? Got a notification. Select a new reward, but it appears there are no options to select that don't expire. On the 17th of July, 2022, no more AMP 2%, no more USDC 1%, no more DAI 1%, no more Ethereum at 1%, no more Bitcoin at 1.5%, from 4% rewards to 2% rewards to 0%. Honestly, can say that the most enticing aspect of using Coinbase as the exchange and service was the reward program and ability to spend cryptocurrency easily. I'm quite disappointed, but from a business perspective, I understand not wanting to go under by simply trying to sustain the rewards program. Yeah, I understand, but this also now adds more weight to the FUD on Coinbase that Coinbase is the next one to go under. Be ready. No, I don't know. I truly don't. Have I moved some funds away from Coinbase? Yes, I have. USDC pros and cons. Okay, nice. Once they get rid of the 4% XLM, I quit using mine. I feel like the right time to quit is when all the reward options expire. Yeah, it sucks to go from 4% to 2%, but it's still free money. Take advantage of it while you still can. I mean, 2% is 2%. 2% is 2%. Let's see. I compared real world prices between the big exchanges, some with zero commission, some without. Here are the results. I put in exactly 1 ETH or 0.1 Bitcoin in the buy and only recorded when the price is locked and at the final stage. This is to ensure. Okay, so what's the best exchange, bro? Just tell me. All right, so at the same time, 731, 2000, 171, 179. Binance gave him more here. Crypto.com gave him the most, 2191. So he bought Bitcoin, 0.1 Bitcoin on Crypto.com, and he got the most, it looks like. Is that across the board? That is across the board. Oh, snap. How is Crypto.com making money if they're giving away this much? Bro, Crypto.com across the board is the best one for Bitcoin. I did not know that. I've been getting screwed over. Yo, Coinbase taking $20 from me, bro. All right, ETH. ETH. Robinhood. Okay, 230. Crypto.com again. Is this a Crypto.com stunt? What is it? Marketing? All right, so let's see. Because Robinhood had the lowest prices, all others were compared to it. Wait, how did Robinhood have the lowest prices? Oh, wait, this is price. Oh, so Crypto.com is the most expensive? Oh, okay, I understand. I understand how he's reading this now. Right? The results were very surprising. Binance US has free Bitcoin trade fee, but ETH is 0.5. Coinbase Pro was very clear on the fees. Okay, for Bitcoin. I feel like Crypto.com is giving you a great price. It's showing you. So what, you can't sell it? Yeah, but Robinhood is the lowest then. 217. No. CoinMarketCap? Wait, you can buy stuff on CoinMarketCap? Or is this just CoinMarketCap shows you the price? Yeah, do some more research here. 176, 191, 179. Okay, assuming you can't buy on CoinMarketCap, Robinhood looking real good. Agreed. Okay, really not surprising. Fees are compared to it. Again, all fees were accounted for. So this guy's saying Robinhood is the best to buy in? Surprising. Price per 1 ETH. So these are all the fees. So Robinhood because Robinhood had the lowest price, all others were compared to it. So this is compared to Robinhood, how much more these guys upsell the price. 0.34, 0.89, 0.21. I mean, Coinbase looking pretty good. Coinbase looking real good compared to Robinhood. Because I didn't use Robinhood before I only got Robinhood for Dogecoin. And then I had to sell out of Robinhood. You guys know the story. In purchasing a home, I had a financial thing happen where the mortgage lender called me and said, "Hey, all your money's in crypto. You need to show it in fiat currency." And I pulled out a Robinhood right at 60 cents. Just pure dumb luck. I got a phone call. The guy's like, "I need it in fiat." I sold then and there, so the money would be ready to purchase a home. It was like the next day, Elon went on, did this whole marketing thing with Saturday Night Live, and the price dropped to, 30 something cents. So very sad. Now we're at 5 cents. Now we're back at my purchase price, which is crazy. Robinhood is perfect for zero commission fees. Yeah, I think Robinhood won in this. I can secretly not chilling at all. Yeah, see, this is one of the best chills I've seen. Yeah, this really was a really good chill, bro. Seriously though, if Robinhood has the lowest price and no trading plus withdrawal fees, why is nobody taking advantage of this arbitrage opportunity? Robinhood has trading fees built into the spread. They also have transfer fees. That being said, even though they're low compared to the competition, I doubt it's profitable to buy on Robinhood, transfer, sell, since you're getting smacked with fees in all three steps, even if the first two are negligible. I agree. All right, nice. Good to know. That was a good read. See, I like this. Now you feel educated. I feel educated. I bet I bought top 20 coins each for $100 last year. I'm sure you did. 48 Bitcoin were traded last week in Venezuela using only local Bitcoin. Let's go. Yo, Venezuela, you're getting up. You're going up. One Bitcoin trades around 125,000 BS. Of course it does. It's really important to have emergency fund, especially now. I agree. One of my houses that I rent out with a tenant just called me and was like, "Hey, my boiler is completely rusted and you got water everywhere." I'm like, I still have to take care of that house. So it's good to have, savings set aside so you can account for emergencies like I'm having right now. Hacker drains 1.4 million worth of ETH from NFT lender Omni. No way. What? Dude, what? The attacker exploited a re-entrancy vulnerability to drain funds from Omni. The exploit siphoned 1.4 million from the NFT finance platform. Oh, was drained 1,300 ETH in a flash loan. Flash loans is such a crazy scam that not scam but like a flash loan crypto. Oh, I feel like someone can actually explain it better than me. Flash loans. For one of our next things, we're gonna read about flash loans if whenever it comes back up. But flash loans is real scary. It can happen to multiple cryptos if they're not safeguarded in their contracts, including NFTs now. So very scary. Top 100 ApeCoin holders control 51% of the supply. Ape lost 81% in 2 months. Oh, that's horrible. But I guess you're the top 100 holder in ApeCoin, then of course you're gonna have a lot of the supply. Crypto investing from all perspective of someone who doesn't care about crypto at all. Why'd you even come on this forum then? Damn it. Bitcoin skeptic Peter Schiff will sell troubled Euro Pacific Bank for BTC if regulators let them. Why Peter Schiff now says he would accept Bitcoin for his bank. Who the hell is Peter Schiff? Who are you, buddy? Pacific Bank, Peter Schiff? I don't know who Peter Schiff is. Someone tell me. A brief history of Bitcoin crashes and bear markets. Yo, I've read all the things. It's crazy. Three Arrows, capital bankruptcy filing claims, location of co-founder is currently known. Yep. Why do you think realistically happen if the SEC loses the lawsuit against Ripple? Oh, that's a good discussion. FDIC to investigate bankrupt Voyager digital insurance claims. Ooh. Someone managed to remotely grab my phone SIM and drained my crypto. Stay secure, crypto bros. Wait, you grab your phone SIM and then... Oh, intelligent. Because now that I have your SIM, I can be your phone, and then I can do a forgot password on anything you use your phone number to log into, and then I could have access. I understand how he did this. I believe I do. But sim spoofing, I haven't seen done properly in a long time. I think that's some Kali Linux BS. I'm nerding out on this. We are not doing this. This is not the stream, Teddy. Bitcoin and crypto will prevail, says Rockefeller. Cryptos are us. Let's go. Cryptos are us. Binance users vote in favor of keeping free transactions. Over 60% of traders want to maintain free transactions according to Twitter. Bro, I'm even getting charged when I convert on Coinbase. You convert from one crypto to the other, it now charges you money. Like, I'm like, bro, it's so expensive to like just swap cryptos on Coinbase now. How many tokens can survive? Blah blah blah. Cardano thrives over Solana and Polkadot in development activity. I mean, I'm seriously considering Matic now. I was on Awesome Austin's stream the other day, and he was talking to me about how he told people to buy Matic at like 32, and Matic's at 58 or something right now. I'm looking at Matic again, man. The guy knows what he's doing, you know. Eat transaction fees at 2-year low. Not financial advice, by the way. I think this is pretty much good. Stop your crypto operation in Russia. Washington tells Japanese exchange and miners. Oh, Anamika brand leads 32 million round. I don't even know. Data suggests buying on Coinbase behind the Bitcoin pump. Oh, I mean, I bought my Bitcoin on Coinbase, so I should have really been buying it on Robinhood, though. Crypto is trying out traditional finances failures and hyper speed, but it's going to be fine. This is also scary because Robinhood now is not getting any fees. They don't charge you anything. The market is bad. Robinhood was also showing us lower and lower revenues, right? Quarterly earnings. So I don't know. Robinhood, Coinbase, I don't know. I feel like Robinhood, you're gonna have to add some tax on there, buddy. Just to keep yourself. I'm at the 1 day. But guys, this is it. We have made it to the end of the stream. I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching. I will see you tomorrow at some point in the morning. I plan to stream, and then I will be quickly gone, and you will see me again at night. So till then, I shall see you tomorrow. Polygon looking like my #1 pick after GGG, of course. Yeah, Polygon looking real good right now. Polygon looking real good, and QNT, Quant looking good too. So guys, thank you for watching. I will catch you next time. Please like and subscribe, no matter if you're watching this live or after. All right, good.